As we all know, Bitboy Crypto is a popular YouTuber who talks about cryptocurrency. In this video, I will share with you what Bitboy Crypto said about Cardano that will make ADA holders crypto millionaires in 2022, so make sure to stay tuned. In a recent interview, Bitboy talked about many cryptocurrencies including Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Chainlink, and many others. It's something you should pay attention to because Bitboy talks about his strategy for getting rich in crypto. For the most part, people simply buy and hold coins. A basic understanding of trading will, however, enable you to accumulate much more quickly. Then you will be able to take $10,000 when you sell high and buy low. Over time, you'll be able to turn it into millions of dollars. We're going to explore how you can become a millionaire on the Cardano network, as well as what is Bitboy Crypto's strategy on getting rich with Cardano cryptocurrency. ADA is predicted to reach $100 soon by the Cardano community. Meanwhile, to make that happen, Cardano would have to reach a market capitalization of $3 trillion. As a comparison, Bitcoin has only a $1 trillion market cap after its 12-year existence. In the meantime, Cardano was 4 years old with a market cap of $42 million. So what are the chances of ADA succeeding? Would it be able to reach $100? Definitely, and if not, then Ethereum is the way to go. Bitcoin is by no means the most impressive innovation this century, but when compared to Ethereum and Cardano, it is merely far behind in terms of some sustainability features. Both of these smart contract platforms have the potential to become crypto Google and maybe crypto Yahoo, which will contribute to creating new forms of decentralized web technologies. Furthermore, you have complete control of the entire process without the need for censorship or permission. With Google's market cap at $1.9 trillion, smart contract platforms can double that, especially since Bitcoin achieved Google's market cap in half the time. In the current market price of ADA and with the current amount you'd need to buy to become a millionaire, you could need anywhere between $8,000 and $10,000 worth of Cardano. Nevertheless, Cardano will be at least 4 to 5 years before we reach a $100 price point. Also, today let's discuss what you should be bullish and bearish about. In contrast to other blockchains, Cardano uses proof of stake to make transactions much faster, therefore rewarding miners with transaction fees rather than block rewards. Additionally, a point-of-stake algorithm does not use complex mathematical equations. In this instance, the individuals are called forgers rather than miners. Further, Cardano's blockchain facilitates a tremendous amount of on-chain liquidity, and there is approximately $16 billion worth of ADA circulating the network, and a total of $22.2 billion is at stake. Meanwhile, Polkadot, created by Gavin Wood, is the second most staked blockchain. And now let's take a look at Bitboy Crypto's strategy. The first thing Bitboy said is, don't rush into purchases of crypto just because you're afraid of missing out. Moreover, he added that as soon as the last new thing was announced, a lot of people jumped on it. And this can be done by buying a coin at a high price with the expectation of seeing great returns, which is not always a good idea. Meanwhile, the idea behind dollar cost averaging is to invest a fixed amount of money over time by purchasing the desired asset regardless of its price at the present moment. In such a strategy, an investor increases the extent of exposure to investment assets slowly over time instead of all at once. This allows for a reduction of the risk associated with purchasing a daily fluctuating asset, as well as gaining exposure to the long-term trends of that asset. With Bitcoin dollar cost averaging, a fixed amount of USD is invested into Bitcoin at regular intervals, such as $10 every week. Another thing Bitboy Crypto advised was to look for gems that could boost your portfolio. To effectively trade, it is advantageous to search for coins just like Cardano with low Satoshi values, low market cap cryptocurrencies, and flip the games with 40-40-20 into low caps and medium caps while saving some Bitcoin and Ethereum. Does Cardano make sense as a smart cryptocurrency to buy at the moment? Increasing adoption appears to be driving the price of Cardano back up to $2.50. The Ethereum killer of Cardano has seen its adoption soar as the network's on-chain activity increases. Further, analysts predict a rise in Cardano's price, setting a target of $2.50 for the cryptocurrency. In the face of rising adoption, Cardano looks to make its comeback with a bull run. According to Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, projects like Ethereum killer ADA on the blockchain will become as ubiquitous as the internet and be used by billions of people in the future. In Hoskinson's view, Cardano's adoption will be revolutionary. He added that even though the blockchain ecosystem is evolving slowly, Cardano's founder believes believes it is making progress toward adoption by mass markets. According to Hoskinson, the Cardano ecosystem currently has less hype and more upgrades. In a recent blog post, Hoskinson wrote, "Our view is that these protocols will be as ubiquitous as the internet. This scale of adoption will take years to decades, not weeks to months, and won't be a meme." Further, some analysts and its community are bullish on Cardano. For instance, Easy Bitcoin is a pseudonymous cryptocurrency analyst who evaluated the trend of Cardano's price and noted another leg down. Further, in the analyst's opinion, it looks as though Cardano is forming a head and shoulder pattern, which is bullish for the altcoin. Former Cardano's price looks ready to climb higher, despite offering negative returns to holders for the past 3 months. According to Bitboy's latest video, Cardano has the potential to reach $8 by the end of the current Cardano altcoin cycle. Additionally, he stated that he loves Cardano and he believes Cardano and Ethereum are going to last a very long time. Bitboy Crypto also mentioned other currencies and companies, including Polkadot, saying that he believes all of them are important, but his personal views are more biased towards Ethereum and Cardano. Nonetheless, he stated that we're going to look at these two giants. They're always going to be like this. Also, Cardano is being looked at by some institutions for a reason, and they understand the long-term potential of the coin. It is reassuring to hear Bitboy Crypto's words, especially for Cardano beginners who are anxious about the price. Additionally, the Bitboy statement on Cardano and ADA is going to build a lot of trust among Cardano investors and help others become more interested in Cardano and to join the Cardano community as well. Additionally, it confirms to Cardano holders that they are on the right side of the equation, as Cardano is given a positive response by the most popular crypto expert and YouTuber. Bitboy believes that Cardano will be a smashing success in the long run and act like an index fund in the long run, much like the entire cryptocurrency market. Then he also talked about other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum while discussing Cardano. As he noted that altcoins will naturally rally when Bitcoin rallies because of the high correlation between many cryptocurrencies. The truth is that although Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies compete with each other, they still have a close relationship with one another, and Cardano at one moment will certainly be outperforming Bitcoin. Further, Bitboy clearly stated in his love for Cardano that one of the reasons for this is that it has a total supply of 45 million coins as opposed to Ethereum's. Since Ethereum's maximum supply is currently unlimited, the price of Ethereum can fluctuate constantly. Both Bitcoin and Cardano are vastly different from this. Cardano and Bitcoin, although they offer several coins for purchase and circulation, are also affected by the limitation, which places an additional drive on the price of the coins. In other words, as long as people are interested in buying Bitcoins and Cardano, the price will always increase. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum does not face this pressure, and the entire process of buying it is different. In the long term, Bitboy anticipates that Cardano will be a fantastic currency as it has a command of the price discovery phase. Moreover, it is predicted that Cardano ADA will increase in price between $5 and $15 in the next 2 years, according to Bitboy. Similarly, he predicted Cardano's price is predicted to rise to $2 to $3 within the next few months. Also, to discuss Cardano ADA further, Crypto Jeb has been invited to voice his opinion about it. During the conversation, Jeb shared his reasons for being bullish on Cardano. As we all know, Cardano now supports smart contracts. It has been a while since the blockchain has produced several various accomplishments, and the smart contract functionality is one of the most recent. As reported by the Cardano dev team, the Alonzo hard fork will introduce smart contracts to the blockchain. Further, Cardano is also the latest blockchain network to integrate the smart contract function. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comment section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.